Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick guide on how to disable all notifications on the WhatsApp PC app after the latest update. If you're looking to enjoy a little peace and quiet while working on your computer, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, make sure you've launched the WhatsApp application on your PC and opened your account. You'll see the familiar interface, ready for customization. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the window, where you'll find the gear icon. Click on that gear icon to access your settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is where all your notification preferences reside. Click on it to proceed. Now, it's time to disable notifications for messages. Just toggle off the Messages option. This will prevent any message alerts from popping up while you're busy. After that, let's focus on calls. Find the option for calls and disable it as well. This means you won't be interrupted by incoming call notifications anymore. Lastly, we're going to turn off reactions. Disabling reactions will stop those notification alerts whenever someone reacts to your messages. Simply switch off this setting to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled all notifications on your WhatsApp PC app. Now, you can work without distractions and check your messages at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.